Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to swap between full screen and windowed mode in Climber Animals together. Let's begin by opening the main menu. Do so by pressing the escape key on your keyboard. From here, select Settings twice. This, for some reason, needs 2 clicks to open this settings window. Then, look to the full screen setting. As you can see, it is now enabled. I can disable it, and it will change the game to windowed mode. I need to wait a moment, because I turned back the full screen and my recording software needed a bit to catch it. But that's about it. After you make your choice, press the back button, press the escape key to close the main menu, and thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe.